Hello all, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Christmas tree using a Python program. Now, first of all, I would like, please pardon me if my voice is not pretty well, if it's crumbling, because I'm suffering through the cold and cough these days, and because of that, maybe my voice is not clear. But apart from that, the program which we are going to learn is quite easy. Let me show you what is the program. So here's the Python code. This is hardly 100 lines of code which is you can write easily to create a custom Christmas card which you can share with your friends and family and showcase them your Python skills. In order to run this, first thing, if you don't know how to install the VS Code and the Python extension on it, you can check out my other videos where I'm explaining you how you can install the Microsoft Visual Studio Code and the Python extension on it. Once you do that, you can find this entire script on my blog as well as on my GitHub link, the link of which will be in the description. You can start this program, and once you start this program, you can see this Christmas tree is get designed automatically by the Python program. Now by default I have enabled the tracer which is 0 currently. You can disable that and you can see how the Python program draws this entire graphic on the screen. Let's run that one more time after setting up a tracer file. Here you can see, let's close this one. See, another one is running right now. So this is the turtle object which is one of the object in the turtle module of the Python library. This will draw our entire Christmas tree over here, and these are the snowflakes or snows which is like typical Christmas tree decoration looks like, and the same thing which we are going to do in the Python program. And this is a tree skeleton. I'm not using any GIF or the simple boxes, square boxes, triangular, which will typically you can find on the internet. This is like a proper turtle will try to design the tree with proper branches, with the leaves, everything will be designed here, you can see. And once the entire tree design is done, it will greet us with the Merry Christmas message as well, and we will draw a simple Christmas like Santa Claus hat which will be displayed right next to you. You see here the Santa hat will be up here. Yes, here it goes. So this is the program you will learn. It's hardly 100 lines of code and everything will be designed here. You can showcase this to your friends and family. If you want to understand deep exactly how it works, I have documented everything on my blog. My blog name is techwithseeds.hashnode.dev. You can find here, and you can see the entire program is written down here with a step-by-step instruction and what each of the coding statement does and what it. You can see the entire code. You can copy the script from here. There's a copy option will be given here. You can directly copy from here and you can paste in your editor and you can run the file directly. This is the output in different colors because this background color will constantly change and the snow will appear and disappear. You can see now is the pink, and like the couple of colors which we have defined in our list object, those are the only colors which will be chosen. You can customize that according to your choice. And yeah, so I have explained everything here. So the module which basically Python uses is called Turtle. It's a very popular 2D graphics. It's a very famous Python module for 2D graphics. You can create many graphics by using Turtle module, although it's like quite outdated right now, but still lots of people are still using this for like 2D games and all that. But recent model, if you want to do like updated module, is Tkinter, which we will also showcase you in our upcoming videos, where we will be giving some tutorials about Tkinter and in which way we can design, like what are the graphics we can do in that. But yeah, so let me stop this program for now and give you the quite like if you let me give you the quite brief about the entire program. So the program is consistent in many of section. The first top section here, you can see we are importing the turtle library and the random module. Random and turtle are the module names in Python, and we are importing that just like in any other programming language like Java or C or C++, where at the top you will import the classes on the modules which you are going to use in your program. And then we are defining width and height for our tree object. So the n stands for the length, which is 170, and speed is the fastest for our turtle object, so that it can draw faster instead of slow speed. And you can find out all these values over the turtle documentation. If you go here and type speed, search speed, so you can see the fastest value, fastest, fast, normal, slow, and slowest. These are all the possible values which you can enter as a value for that particular submodule. So then in the next section we are designing our card. Card means the one which we are going to see, the card this is the entire card. Like you can see the Christmas, this is the card which we are defining here. You can see the card is equal to screen, so that means entire screen, and 100 we are mentioning as a full we want the full width and full height of entire screen should be captured by this particular card. And then the title of our card, which is a Christmas celebration, and these are the number of background colors we wanted. These are some of my favorite colors which I'm going to use here. You can use whatever the colors you want. If you want to do if you wanted to know how to get the color names, color codes, basically you can use the color code picker online library. You can just type color code picker, then so like this you can get the number of color codes. You can see the hex, and like you can copy from here and you can paste it over the list object. And then we are defining our tree color, and of course the tree is going to be green, but I'm going to keep it here dark green because green color will not look good on my canvas, so that is the reason I'm using. And the backward design coordinates, because our turtle object needs to design the leaves and the branches as well. For that we need to take our turtle object back to the starting portion so that it can draw the branches, and you can see these things I'm saying, the leaves and branches. So tracer is basically indication for the turtle object to increase the speed or loss. I'm keeping here 8 by 25 here right now. So tracer, if you wanted to read all at once, or you can if you want to increase the speed of the drawing, so you can set this particular value. So I'm keeping 8 by 50. Okay, and then we are declaring 3 functions here, which is the draw hat, which is a tree function, and then we are creating a snow here. So this is what we are seeing. You see it's popping up and then going off. This is called snowflakes, which I'm designing here, and then the snow, and then the snowfall. So that this is here we are defining snowflakes, and this is the snowfall we are having. This is the tree, and this is the hat which you will see here. And after that, we are calling these functions by using the snowlet and all that, and we're passing the parameter position arguments here. I'm not going to write this entire program in this video. I already written this entire program just within a few minutes back, and I'm just going to explain to you. If you want to understand, you can read my entire blog here, and I have literally drafted every single detail on this blog. Every single detail, every single line of code I have explained here on this blog what that does. And overall, this is entire code is there. I'm using the font phosphate in italic. The font size needs to be 40, font color needs to be black, and all those things. I'm just mentioning those things here. And then I'm calling a draw hat function by mentioning the location of the hat, where I want the hat to be designed. I want the hat to be designed on right on top of you, like Merry Christmas to all of you. On top of you, I want this hat to be designed, and that is the reason I'm setting up this coordinate. The first coordinate designs like what is the top horizontal value, then pen dot left means what is the value from the left side, and pen 40 stands for what is the value will be the front. You can read out these values here. I have mentioned on it on my blog with the details. Yeah, you can see here the fourth line moves the pen ahead by 40 pixels in horizontal direction. The first line says the pen to the point straight. The second line moves by 250 150 260 pixels, and here until our tracer condition is true, we are going to keep snowing on the canvas. So this is a quite simple program. You can check this out, and if you are interested to learn Python, look for our next video in which we are going to write a program which is going to get all the top cryptocurrencies which have recently changed and is going to display on the website. So it's like a cryptocurrency tracker which we are going to build in a simple Python program. So look for that video. And if you are interested to, for this Christmas season, if you wanted to design a Christmas tree for your friends and family, you can check out my blog, or you can copy this program, try it out yourself, do some modification, share it with me in the comments. I will definitely look forward for it. Thank you so much for following this video. I will be doing this video, I will be keep posting. Thank you.